Now I request the chief guest of today's function, Srimati Hepzibah Rani Korlapati, Additional Secretary, Infrastructure Development, Ports and Inland Water Transport Department, Government of Karnataka, to deliver the inaugural address.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಕುವೆಂಪು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ, ವಿಶ್ವ ಯುವ ಕೇಂದ್ರ, ಚೈತನ್ಯ ರೂರಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಇವರು ಇವತ್ತು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಈ ಯೂತ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಒಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಈವನ್ ದ ಲೈಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ respond. So as students, I think have that enthusiasm and spark in you, and whenever you get the best of the resources, being in the university is the best place to be, to hone your skills, to learn new skills and shine and be a light to the world. I personally feel, if I look at my life and break it into two halves, for more than half I am on the other side. So what is that people who want to become leaders, want to be critical change makers, or people who are agents for doing good, what do they do, or what is the skill that they have? Is leadership something that comes with position? If somebody is an IAS officer, if somebody is say deputy commissioner of a district or CEO of a company, do they overnight, or because they have the label, because they have the position, do they become leaders overnight? Or is leadership is a process that each one of us in our own lives have to experience, and it is something for each student to visualize when they are at a phase in life where they can choose what they want to do next. As somebody who has been a good student in a university, I can give credit to all my teachers and my parents, my professors, who have given us the right direction and set us on a path to have a good ambition, to aspire for something big. You know, in those 2 decades back, when I was also in college and trying to understand where I want to be, what I want to do, there is this one very nice quote of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam which struck me, that to have a small aim is a crime, and it is a call to have a big aim, a big ambition, to dream and make all your effort to make those dreams transform into thoughts and actions and make it a reality for yourself and for the country. Giving me this opportunity to inaugurate this seminar, and best wishes to all present here. Thank you.